back to the channel. I'm out. Man, guys, it is such a beautiful day today. The sun's shining, clear blue sky. It's got a slight chill in the air, so it just feels so awesome to be outside right now. So that's why I got the wood chipper all set up. I'll be spending a good amount of time outside today. Hopefully I can finish up where I left off in my last wood chipping video. The area where I'm calling like the valley, because it's in between, like, we're in the middle of two hills. So hopefully I can get that spot cleared out today. That'd be awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks, everybody. Alright, so this is the area I was talking about. It's kind of up a hill there, if you can't tell. So it'll make getting all the stuff I cut slightly more difficult. That's why I'm parked downhill here, so when I'm bringing it back, I can have the hill work for me a little bit, so it won't be as bad. But this area is going to be looking so much nicer by the end of the day. Just you watch. Oh, yeah. One thing before I get started, I just wonder if anyone out there has any idea what this little black dealio is attached to the back of the feeding chute is. Like the top unscrews and it's basically just an empty cup chilling there. The only thing I can possibly think of it being is like just a holder for the rain cover. But it kind of seems kind of small for that, so I have really no idea what it is. I just know I'm more than likely never ever going to use it, so whatever, it's just adding extra style to the wood chipper, I guess. And unfortunately, guys, I loaded up everything here, greased up the wood chipper, filled the tire with air. And when I finally got everything loaded up, drove out here, I realized this pole saw right here. I did not put bar oil in this saw, so I don't think I'm going to be doing any pole saw action today. I know I could drive back to the house and do it, but I don't feel like wasting like 10-15 minutes doing that. I'd rather just get to work and do as much as I can today, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, I'll get to it. Yep, this is an MS-251 steel chainsaw. The only thing I don't like about it is there's not a priming bubble, so there's absolutely zero way to ever start this on the very first pull. It's not designed to do that. Like the prime it, you actually got to pull start it, so whatever. Now you can unchoke it. Now you can do it. Oh yeah, let's get to it, guys. Just gotta love it, man. Freaking using chainsaws are fun, but they are annoying. They're so temperamental, I swear. So that should be a good amount to get me started. All right, now the really satisfying part, wood chipping. Yeah, before I start this baby, I'm just gonna adjust where the chips fly out of. They were coming out on this side I am now, so I'm gonna adjust it to where they fly out the other side. And I'm doing that because someone was nice enough to comment and suggest me doing that. For whatever reason, it did not occur to me to do that. And with them coming out on this side, all like kind of tiny particles and chips getting like sucked into this part of the engine. And that's probably not too good for the overall life of this machine. So that's why I'm going ahead and make them shoot out on the other side. So hopefully that doesn't happen as much. All right. Throttle's low, chokes on, gas on. Let's turn it on. So much nicer here, right guys? I mean, look at that sun. You can see it shining nice and bright, way more open here, feeling so much nicer. Definitely happy about that. I'll probably come back later this week at some point and really clean up the sides of my brush cutter because right now they are just loaded up with vines. And I hate vines, man. They just make this kind of work so much tougher. They'll just wrap around the branches you actually do care about and not want to let go, man. Like I had to pull with all my might today, and most of the time they still didn't want to let go, so I had to get the chainsaw back out, slice through the vines, and then I could feed it through this wood chipper, this MechMaxx B200 8-inch wood chipper. And so far, man, it is still performing like a champ. It's just eating up everything that I'm throwing down it, and it's awesome. A lot of fun, not gonna lie. It's cool. Yep. The only thing not so cool is right now my right rear tire has like a slice on the inner wall, so I gotta fill up the tire every single time I take this wood chipper out. But I'm happy to announce, guys, that MechMaxx has noticed these YouTube videos I'm making and reached out and asked if it was okay to use some of my footage in their upcoming, I think, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. And I said, yeah. And they'll be compensating me with a replacement tire. Also, some replacement blades, but I don't really need those yet, but I will at some point. So that's cool. And they also took $100 off my purchase. So that is pretty cool. So that is awesome. That definitely made me really happy to receive that call. So that is cool. Yep. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video today, guys. I can hear dogs barking off in the distance. So my mom was cool and let them out for me. So that is awesome. So I'll get driving back to the house, load everything back up, and then probably have some lunch, and then we'll see what else I can do today. All right, well, that's it for now, guys. Thanks everyone for watching. Please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you guys next time.